Howdy folks, just prepping this cool package that I just received from overseas. It's a tank, and it's not like there's a little zipper thing you can go zoop, but it opens right up. It's taken me a few minutes to figure out how to open this up, and I didn't want to spend 10 hours doing that before I introduce the video. But sit back, relax, and I'm going to show you an unboxing here in a moment. Howdy folks, TJ here. I have an unboxing today of some really cool Spectrum Sinclair goodness. I should say Sinclair goodness because it may be not Spectrum specific, but another gift from overseas. Got quite a few friends I'm meeting through all my Sinclair channels that I'm in. And Marc Slorance, thank you very much. A number of weeks back he said, hey, there's this cool Retro Gamer magazine over here right now that's got a really nice spread about the Spectrum Next. And he thought of me and thought it would be really nice to have that. So he said, hey, I'll send you that along with a couple other goodies, which is really cool because I'd love to have magazines. You've probably seen some of my other videos. I've got tons of magazines, and I like flipping through old magazines. Digital is okay, but my eyes are not the greatest, and at least with a book I can kind of do this as I'm reading. With a screen, you have to, do this. You can't like move the monitor to you. So I prefer books. So he sent me some goodies. I'm going to unbox it here as best as I can. I kind of slipped the box open already. Let me make sure it's in the video here. Maybe I'll pan down on it a little bit better. And let me see if I can position my lighting a little bit better. All right. So, here is a box of stuff. I think I'm going to shift this stuff around and maybe just slide out. Slide out. Slide out. Okay, box is empty. Cool, so I'm just going to start from whatever flipped out first. Fusion. I've heard of this. Very cool. So it's issue 4 of Fusion. It looks like it's a periodical, a magazine. Never seen this before. Oh, really nice and glossy. Ah, look at some of the Spectrums in there and Sinclair. So awesome. At nighttime, when I get sleepy and I go to bed, I typically go up to my room at about 10. But then I stay up for 2 hours at least. I always see midnight. And I'm typically reading or on the internet doing something. So lots of great reading material. So very cool. Look like there's a card in here. Fusion. Neato. Cool. That's going to give me some fun to read. What's next? Sinclair Programs. Sweet. Competition. Win a QL. Hey! Let's quickly flip through Oh, nice. Lots of, one of the fun things about 80s computers is pretty much every one of us keyed in programs back in the day. I had my Atari back then. I didn't have a Sinclair. Oh, really cool. Sweet. Sinclair Programs. What's next? A calendar. 2020 Retro Gamer. Sweet. Let's open it up to December. December's my favorite month. October's a close second. I should say March is really big because I got married in March. So if I'm talking to the wife, March is the month. St. Patrick's Day we got married on 30 years ago next month. Yeah. Merry Christmas. Very cool. Thank you. Sweet. That's going to go up in my office. And here is, I'm guessing this is the Retro Gamer. All right, we're going to stick our finger in here. Oh no, maybe I can be smart and not, instead of just shredding it, cut a nice little section on the bottom so I can protect it in my magazine stash. Ew. There we go. Retro Gamer. Let's quickly... Ooh, this is a nice... Magazines over in Europe and UK are so much cooler than the United States magazines. Bigger, all color. Let's see if we can quickly flick and find the next. I know the next is in here. I should probably look at the index in the front. It'd be smart. Ah ha ha ha. That's next level. There we go. Yeah. Look at that. Sweet. I'm going to have some good reading tonight. Nice. And there's some other... I wasn't expecting all this stuff. Test Cricket. Looks like a video game. Nice. Very cool. Magnificent Sevens. Your Sinclair. So this is one of the magazine type of tapes. Cool. Some stuff I get to do reviews on for my YouTube channel. Hey, a Crash magazine. Yes. So I've been wanting to get, if you have to definitely have a Crash magazine if you're in the Sinclair. So that is cool. Looks like number 46, 1987. Crash definitely seemed... Man, this is a pretty hefty magazine. It's got a lot of pages. Oh, yeah. Man, I'm going to have hours of fun with this. So cool. Let me pan out here. Boy. So, I'll wrap it up. Get these sharp utensils out of the way. So, tons of cool stuff. Thank you very much, Mark. Very kind of you to send me a fun grab bag from overseas. Very cool. This is something I'll probably save because, in a few years from now when everybody's really chugging along with their nexts, some of the first articles and stories about the next in magazines will be kind of fun to have on file and ready to go. So thank you for everything. Very cool of you. It arrived safely in a nice, well-packed package. So thanks for sending that to me, Mark. I appreciate it. And I'll let you know how my reading goes. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you later.